Now, let's look at the multiplication of matrices, okay? If you have two matrices to multiply together, there is something you must watch out for. That is, the row on the left-hand side must be equal to the column. How do I mean? Say for instance, this is like this, 2, 4. And this is 3, 6. This is perfect. All you need to do, this multiply by this. That is to say, 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 6, which will give us 6 plus 24, which is equals to 30. Okay? So we are assuming that A is equals to this, B is equals to this. Okay? It means it's A times B. But you should know that you cannot do B times A. How do I mean? If I had here 3, 6, I had here 2, 4, I can't multiply it. I can't take vertical to multiply horizontal. It is horizontal, vertical. Look at this. If I say this, 2, 4, 2, 1, multiply by 4, 6, 0, 1. For instance, what I need to do to get the new position, this location, to get this location, I will use this horizontal to multiply this vertical to get here. That is 2 multiplied by this plus 4 multiplied by this. Once I am through with that, I will want to get this. That is, this again multiplied by this for this location. This multiplied by this plus this multiplied by this. Once I'm through with that, I want to get this new location. I will use this now. This horizontal multiplied by this vertical. That is, this row multiplied by this column. For this place, this row multiplied by this column. Let's look at this. It says, given R as equals to this and C as equals to this, we should find RC. Let's do that. What it means is this row multiplied by this column. That is to say, to get the new matrix now is 1 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 6. Okay? That is the RC. Which is, this is what? 4 plus 10 plus 18. This is what? 28. Plus this, 32. Our new matrix is just with single element. Okay? It's always horizontal by vertical. Row by column. And the numbers of elements, they must be equal. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One must not be more than the other. And one thing you should know is, we cannot find CR. It's not possible. You cannot use this now to multiply this. It means RC is not equal to CR. They are not equal. Okay? Let's look at this. Given S as equals to this and A as equals to this, we should evaluate XA. Look at it. XA means this gap will first of all multiply this. The confusion here is always the new matrix, is it going to be like this? Or it's going to be like this? It is going to be like this. So XA is equal to, for this first location, we say this multiplied by this. That is 3 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2. Then another one, this location, That is this again multiplied by this. That is 3 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 9 plus 8, 12 plus 20. You agree with me that this is 17, this is 32. So this is a new matrix. Let's look at this. It says, given that G is equal to this and C is equal to this, we should find GC. Okay? How are you going to determine the shape of GC? GC shape. Is it going to be like this or like this? As you can see, this is like this. This guy has both horizontal and vertical. That is both rows and columns. But this only has column. Who is winning? Is column. 2 columns. This is providing column. This is providing columns and row. So column will win. Now let's continue. GC. That is to say 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. And 1, 0, 1. If you want, if you like, I'll put dot here. It doesn't matter. Now, how do we solve this? Is this multiplied by everything here? 1 multiplied by this is what? 1. This is 0. Okay, this and this will give us 3. Then this and this will give us 4, 0, 6. This and this will provide 7, 0, 9. Equal to, this is 4, 10, 16. Let's look at this. It says, if A is equal to this and B is equal to this, we should find AB. That is AB, which is 2, 6, 3, 4, multiplied by 5, 9, 7, 11. Okay? This means this multiplied by this. That is, to get this first location is 2 multiplied by 5 plus this 3 multiplied by 9. Simple. Okay? We want to get this location. Just as we have gotten this place now, we want to get here. That is this again multiplied by this. That is 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by 11. After that, we use this to multiply this. That is 6 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 9. You know what to do here now? That is 6 multiplied by 7 plus 4 multiplied by 11. Okay, that is this multiplied by this multiplied by this multiplied by this, give us this multiplied by this, give us this multiplied by this, we get here, this multiplied by this, get here. That's all. Okay? Now, you agree with me that this is 10 plus 27, 14 plus 33, 30 plus 36, 42 plus 44. Okay? You agree with me that this is equals to 37, 66, this is 47, this is 86. That is what? Our AB. This is the final answer. We are asked to evaluate this. How do we evaluate this? Is this multiplied by this? That is, to get this first position is 2 multiplied by 1, this and this, plus this and this, 1 multiplied by 0. Then again, this multiplied by this to get here. That is to say, 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1. Okay? Then this multiplied by C, that is 3 multiplied by 1 plus minus 1 multiplied by 0. Then this multiplied by this again, that is 3 multiplied by 1 plus minus 1 multiplied by 1. Okay? Which is equal to 2, because this is 0, 3, this is 0. Then here is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Here is 3 minus 1, which is 2. So this is the final answer. Okay? Let's look at this. It says if P is equal to this and Y is equal to this, we should find the matrix PY. Okay? What it means is PY is equal to cos X sin X minus sin X cos X multiplied by this, that is cos X minus sin X cos X. Okay? What do we do? PY therefore is equal to this multiplied by this, then this multiplied by this. Okay? That is to say, cos S cos X, then this, which is plus, minus will be plus, sin X sin X. After that, we go for the second one, that is this multiplied by this, then this multiplied by this. That is to say, cos S sin X plus minus sin S cos S minus sin X cos X. Okay? Then we go for the second one. This multiplied by this, that is sin S cos S plus this and this, that is cos S minus sin X. Okay? Then the next one is this multiplied by this, which is sin S sin S. Then this and this, that is cos S cos X. Now that you are through with this, what is remaining now is what? It's going to test your knowledge of trigonometry. Okay? Trigonometry. This is simply equal to, here, as you can see here, we have cos square X. Okay? Here is plus sin square X. This one is simply sin X cos S minus sin S cos S. Can write it as cos S sin S. Either way, you are okay. Now let's go for this one. Here, it says same thing, that is cos S sin S, which you can also write as sin S cos S. Then this is minus sin S cos S, which you can also write as cos S sin S. This is what? Sin square S, while this is plus cos square S. Okay? What is the meaning of this? Cos square S sin square S, or sin square S plus cos square S. You agree with me that that is 1. Here, that is 1 in compound angle trigonometry. Okay? The same thing with this. That is also 1. Okay? What is the meaning of this? Sin S cos S, you agree with me, is equal to sin S cos S. Are they not equal? They are equal. Is this not equal to this? They are equal. It's like I'm saying 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. So this is equal to this. So therefore, if I move this to this side now, we get sin S cos S minus sin S cos S. What is remaining now is 0. 0 will be remaining. So 0 will remain here. It means this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. The same thing with this. Either you write cos before sine, just as it's written here, or sine before cos, minus the same thing. Here is also 0. It means, therefore, this is our Py. Py is equal to this. Okay? Just to understand compound angle trigonometry. Okay? Now, let's look at this. It says, given that G is equal to this and H is equal to this, we should find GH. That is, we should multiply this by this. Okay? Let's do that. That is, G, the first one, 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 0, 4, minus 2. Multiply by 2 minus 1, 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 3, 0, 1. Okay? All we have to do is to, first of all, this multiplied by this. That is, this row multiplied by this column. Then we add them together. That is to say, for this first position, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay? Then we go for the second one. This again multiplied by this. That is this. That is to say, 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. 0 multiplied by this is plus 0. 2 multiplied by this is plus 0 again. After that, the last one, that is 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 0 multiplied by this is 0. 2 multiplied by this is 2. Okay? Then we go for the second rule. This multiplied by this is minus 2. This multiplied by this is 0. This multiplied by this is 3. Then we go for the next one. This and this is plus 1, which is 1. This multiplied by this is plus minus 9, which you can put as minus 9. This multiplied by this is 0. Okay? Then we go for the last one. That is minus 1 plus 6 plus 1. Okay? This and this will produce 0. This and this will produce 0. This and this will produce minus 6. This and this will produce 0. This and this will produce minus 12. This and this will produce 0. This and this will produce 0. This and this will produce 8. This and this will produce minus 2. Okay? Now we can work this out to have, here is 8. Here is minus 1. Here is 3. Here is 1. Here is minus 8. Here is 6. Here is minus 6. Let me take this one up. 1 minus 8, 6. This is minus 12. While this is 6. So this is the final answer. Okay? For what? For GH. Okay?